Welcome in Maths Magic part 15. In the previous part we discussed about ratio and its properties and some example problems also. In this part we are going to discuss proportion. So let us see what is called proportion. Ratio you have read. If two ratios are there, if one ratio is A is to B and one ratio is C is to D, and if two ratios are equal, what does it mean? If two ratios A is to B equal to C is to D, it means A is to B means A by B and C is to D means C by D. If these two ratios are equal, then these four numbers, which are four numbers A, B, these are the two numbers of first ratio. For second ratio C, D, are called or are said to be are called in proportion. ये सब proportion में है, हम लोग बोलते हैं. If A is to B equal to C is to D, then A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion. These are called terms of the proportion. This is called first term, this is called second term, this is called third term, this is called fourth term. These are terms of the proportion. These two, ये जो A और D है, these are called extremes. These are called extremes. साइड का इंड टर्म, और ये मिडिल वाला जो दोनों है, दिस इज कॉल्ड मीन. These are called mean and extremes. And in case of proportion, if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then product of extreme is always equal to product of mean. अगर A, B, C, D चार नंबर इस तरह से प्रोपोर्शन में है, तो ये एक्सट्रीम का प्रोडक्ट, साइड वाले दोनों का प्रोडक्ट, ऑलवेज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन, ये बीच वाले का प्रोडक्ट होता है. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू सी 2/3 is a ratio. 8/12 is also a ratio. Are they equal? If you simplify 8, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Yes, so these are equal. So here 2 is to 3 is equal to 8 is to 12. So you can say 2, 3, 8, 12 are in proportion. Understood? And product of extremes also you can check. Product of extremes is equal to product of mean. Are there 24 24. This, these are called first, second, third, fourth term of this proportion. Here ये ज़्यादा यूज हो गया, जो 12 है ना, 12 is called fourth proportional. So far as individual number is concerned, it is called proportional. 12 is called fourth proportional. They are proportional, but individual. 12 is called fourth proportional. 8 is called third proportional. This is second proportional, first proportional, in this way. So I hope you have understand what does it mean, proportional. Now, if there are three numbers only, such that A is to B is equal to B is to C, in this way your proportion is, means ratio of A and B is equal to ratio of B and C. Ratio of first and second and ratio of second and third are equal. If it is so, means these two are same, middle means are same. In this case, A, B, C, 3 numbers are there, called continued proportion, are called continued proportion. Understand what does it mean, continued proportion? If A is to B, फर्स्ट और सेकेंड का रेशियो, यही नंबर यहां भी होगा, इज इक्वल टू B is to C. In this case, these 3 numbers are said to be continued proportion, and in this continued proportion, this C is called third proportional. 3 numbers are there, A, B, C, so C is here called third proportional. And this B is middle one, is called mean, mean proportional, you can say, mean proportional between A and C. If 3 numbers are in continued proportion, then this middle one is called mean proportional between A and C, and this C is called third proportional. So I think you have understand what does it mean, proportional, continued proportional, first proportional, second proportional, third proportional, mean proportional. These things I hope you have understand. And in case of this continued proportion, A into C equal to B square, B into B. Also, in case of continued proportion, what is this? B. B is the mean proportional. Mean proportional can be written as product of first and third proportional square root. Mean proportional is square root of product of first and third proportional. Okay, A into C will be equal to B square. So B equal to square root of A into C. So this is what is proportional. Let us see few problems based on this proportional and continued proportional. So let me rough this side. If anyone is new in this part 15, you must go through part 14. Their ratio and its related results have been discussed. So you must go through ratio first, then proportion. See, write a problem based on this proportion. Find the fourth proportional. Fourth proportional of 3 numbers taken, 4, 6, 12. 4, 6, 12. Your question is find the fourth proportional. What does it mean? Find the fourth proportional. It means if there are 4 numbers in proportion, 4, 6, 12 and one more, then what will be that one more? What will be the fourth number? So that 4, 6, 12 and that number are in proportion. 4 नंबर अगर प्रोपोर्शन में है, उसमें पहला 3 है 4, 6 and 12. So what will be the fourth? This is your question. I think question is clear. What does it mean? Find the fourth proportional. So you will simply write, let x be the fourth proportional. Fourth proportional. And if x be the fourth proportional, then what will happen? Then 4, 6, 12 and we are taking fourth one is x, then these four numbers 4, 6, 12x are in proportion. ये तब होगा proportion में, are in proportion. Here it is proportion, here it is written proportional, that you should see properly. So these four numbers are in proportion, and if four numbers are in proportion, product of extremes, these are extremes, equal to product of mean. As I said in the previous okay, this is ratio, then this is proportion first video. Okay, in case if four numbers are in proportion, these two, first and last, are called means, and this middle two are called means. Extremes, and these are means. Product of extreme is always equal to product of mean. So from here you have to calculate x. So from here x will be 6 into 12 by 4. So 4 3s are 12, it is 18. So your fourth proportional will be 18. So 4, 6, 12 and 18 if you take, they are in proportional, and 18 is the your fourth proportional. So in this way you can find your fourth proportional. Let us see one more problem. Find the third proportional. Find the third proportional between 5 and third proportional between not, third is not between, find the third proportional of right simply. थर्ड वाला तो बीच में नहीं होगा ना. फाइंड द थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल ऑफ 5 and 10. Okay. As we know, if A is to B is equal to B is to C, then A, B, C are said to be in continued proportion. And if A, B, C are in continued proportion, then this C, third one, is called third proportional of A and B. Okay. If तीन नंबर अगर कंटिन्यूड प्रोपोर्शन में है तो ये तीसरा वाला को बोलते हैं थर्ड प्रोपोर्शन. सो हियर you have to find third proportion of 5 and 10. So you will write simply, let x be the third proportional, and if x be the third proportional, then what will happen? 5 is to 10 equal to 10 is to x, then x is the third proportional which is to be calculated. नहीं, क्वेश्चन है ना, फाइंड द थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल. वी हैव कंसीडर्ड थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल इज x. सो 5 is to 10 equal to 10 is to x. A is to B equal to B is to x. Then C is called third proportional. So from here you have to calculate x. As you know, product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So from here x will come 20. So 20 is your third proportional. 5 को इधर ले आइए, 5 2 is 10, 2 10 is 20. So in this way we can find third proportional. Let us see one problem more. Find the mean proportional. Mean proportional now it is between 3 and 75. This is what is your question. Find the mean proportional between 3 and 75. 3 और 75 के बीच में मीन प्रोपोर्शनल निकालना. मीन प्रोपोर्शनल आप जानते हैं. इफ A is to B equal to B is to C, then B is called mean proportional between A and C. तो b को हम लोग बोलते हैं a और c के बीच का मीन प्रोपोर्शनल। और यहां से b कितना होता है, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ AC। अभी जस्ट इसके थोड़ा पहले बताया ना। तो यू विल राइट हियर लेट x बी द मीन proportional, and if x is the mean proportional, then what will happen, 3 is to x will be equal to x is to 75. Okay, if x is the mean proportional between 3 and 75, then x is to 3 will be equal to x is to 75. From here you have to calculate x. Obviously product of mean equal to product of extreme, ये होता है, ये मीन का प्रोडक्ट, ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट इक्वल टू होता है ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट। ऑलवेज इन केस ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम is equal to product of mean. So from here x will be square root of 3 into 75. So it is root under 3 into 25, 3 into 3 square, its root, and 25 is square. So 15 will be your mean proportional. So in this way we can find mean proportional, third proportional, fourth proportional. So this was what is proportional related result and some example of proportion. In the next video, means in part 16, we take some application problems of proportion. So you must see next part 16. So go on watching Maths Magic. Thank you for watching.